Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create dynamic dining table block in AutoCAD, which you can stretch on either direction, and also you can increase the number of chairs so easily. Having said that, let's get started. Type UN on the command box, change the type to architecture, precision to half inch, click on OK. Type REC on the command box and draw a rectangle of 3 feet by 2 feet. Select the rectangle and change the line weight to 0.3. Type REC on the command box and draw a rectangle of 1 feet 6 inches by 1 feet 6 inches. Offset the rectangle by 1 inch and this is going to be our chair. Select the chair and move it to the midpoint of the table. Select the chair again and move it by 3 inches away from the table. Now select the chair and mirror it to the other side using the midpoint. Select all the objects, type B on the command box, specify the block name, specify the base point of the block, and click on OK to open in block editor. Now go to parameters, select linear parameter and define the horizontal distance. Press enter to repeat the linear parameter and specify the vertical distance of the table. Now select both the parameters, right click and go to properties. Change the number of grips to 1. Select distance to and change the distance type to increment. In the increment value, type 2 feet and in the minimum value, type 2 feet again. Close the properties. Go to actions, select stretch action, select distance 1, specify the stretch point and stretch frame. Select all the objects inside the frame. Press enter to repeat stretch action. Select distance 2, specify the stretch point and stretch frame. Select all the objects inside the frame. Now select array action, select distance 2, select both the chairs. In the array distance, type 2 feet. Click on test block. As you can see now, we can easily increase the number of chairs in the dining table and also we can stretch it on either directions. Click on close this block. Click on close block editor. Save the changes. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new, make sure you like and subscribe. Until our next video, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace.